Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make romaine salad. First, select fresh, crisp romaine lettuce heads from your local market. Next, wash and dry the leaves thoroughly to prevent a watery salad, which can dilute flavors. Finally, tear or chop the clean lettuce into convenient bite-sized pieces, preparing your base for a delicious meal. Now, let's enhance your salad with flavor and texture. Select a dressing that complements romaine, perhaps a classic Caesar or a zesty vinaigrette. Then, add some crunch with elements like toasted croutons or a handful of nuts. Don't forget to incorporate fresh vegetables, such as vibrant cherry tomatoes or crisp cucumber slices, for added color and nutrients. The timing of assembly is key for a perfect salad. Always dress your romaine salad just before you plan to serve it. This prevents the lettuce from becoming soggy. Gently toss all the ingredients together, ensuring every piece is lightly coated with dressing. Serve your freshly prepared salad immediately to enjoy its optimal freshness and satisfying crunch. Get creative with your romaine salad by exploring various additions. You can easily transform it into a hearty meal by adding proteins like perfectly grilled chicken or succulent shrimp. Also, experiment with different cheeses, from sharp Parmesan shavings to tangy feta crumbles, to introduce new flavor profiles. And speaking of making things easy, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy customizing your perfect salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.